So what's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally Sketer 4S. Just gonna bash her a little bit. Haven't had her out in a minute with my wing on there. See how she handles. But this Sketer is a monster. I mean, I broke it 2 times. One was the Servo saver, and then I broke the lower left arm. No, the lower left arm because I hit something. All in all, this is the strongest car I had so far. I did a comparison to the comparison with the Max, and this kind of did way better than the Max on handling. Durability is the same, but the handling and the speed, you know, the accurate, like this thing got great handling, awesome handling. This is definitely competition for the Max. Get to this bash real fast. Yeah, this thing is, look at this. I should have brought my, I guess that was too much. The thing about this, I can keep it straight. Okay, it's kind of not being straight right now. Let me. This thing got great handling. Let's see, can I one-handed this jump again? Lost the wing. Let's see if we can pull on this. Still on our feet. Tell me this thing ain't a monster, man. Oh, she cannot pull off a nice little back. Oh, yep, she's still in one piece. Right. Oh, that was corny. Come on, man. Hit that bitch hard. Putty. Ooh. Landed on his feet. Now the pins came out the body. Come on. Yeah, it ripped my body mounts up. It ripped the body mounts completely off the chassis. Well, out the frame, whatever it was hooked to. No, it was hooked to the shock tire and it ripped it out. But I do want to continue this. Let me go, be right back, see can I put this back on, which I pretty much doubt. This one is broken. I'll be right back. See, that's why you bring your trusty Team Corally toolbox, so you can fix your car while you're on the road. Yeah, the body, couldn't save the body. But now I had to make a new body real quick. Let me let you check that out real quick. Finish the bash. This thing is tough. Ah, that arm came out again. I see what you're doing. I better take it easy on it. Yeah, I broke the left arm on it a while ago. I glued it back together. Crazy glued and shoe glued. Thing is a beast. Whoa. Yeah, but as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.